How to say already in Thai. Lao. It's a high tone word. Lao. Lao. I'm just almost throwing that up into my nose. It's right at I'm saying it right at the back. I'm saying it high in the back of my mouth, almost into my nose. And that's a high tone. Lao. My normal voice is here, and I'm going to say already. So I'm going to say Lao.
แล้วแล้วแล้ว
แล้ว แล้ว
Kauja Lao. I believe it's Kun Blah's turn to give us the sentence.
เข้าใจแล้ว เข้าใจแล้ว เข้าใจแล้ว
Lao, already. Just starting to hint that you're going into the nasal. So how do you say already in Thai? Lao, already.